Welcome guys in the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add music on your Instagram story. Okay, all you have to do is click to this add button, and then from here you can post, you can share a story, or you can share reel, or you can go live. Okay, select to story. So now if you want to take a photo, you can take a picture from here, or you can add from your gallery. Click to here, go to your gallery. So I'm going to select this one, and then find the music icon. Okay, click to in here, and now there is a different kind of music in here. Search your specific music from here. Some more time. Okay, I'm going to add this one. Just click to this, and then click to share story, then done. This is how to add the music on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.